Yeah. Thermal Mafia Outdoors. If they didn't know, gonna let them know. If they didn't know, better let them know. Step into the field, yeah, we run the show. From the tree line down to the back road, protected by TMO. If they didn't know, better let them know. Late night work with a cold night glow. When the trigger break, it's a death blow. Protected by TMO. We ain't out here guessing, we precise with it. Ranger lit it, dropping no advice needed. Every stand calculated, yeah, we stay ready. Livestock safe when the boys get deadly. They talk numbers, we live them out. Night after night, we air them out. You hear that howl, that's dinner call. We answer back, now they don't call at all. They can run, they can hide, it don't matter though. We on every piece of ground where that damage goes. If they didn't know, better let them know. Step into the field, yeah, we run the show. From the tree line down to the back road, protected by TMO. If they didn't know, better let them know. Long shot hit, yeah, we still on go. 2 or 2 yards, still a no-go. Protected by TMO. Boots in the dust, eyes in the scope. Cold steady breath when it's time to go. Ain't for the fame, ain't for the light. It's for the ranch and the sleepless nights. We the ones they call when it's getting bad. Calves dropping quick, it's real sad. We show quiet, leave it handled. Problem solved, situation canceled. Yeah. You got predators moving. You got money on the line. You already know who to call. If they didn't know, better let them know. We don't miss much when we lock and load. From Arkansas out to Oklahoma road, protected by TMO. Protected by TMO.